quantity okay, and there's just one more left, which is the description. Description and the parameter and the 1 second, let me see. Okay, so I just wanted to I just want to check what I did for the description. So I just wanted to check the name, product card. So this is the description, so it's going to be text area. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Okay, so that's basically all the fields. Now we have to click on the submit button, or was it the save button? So let's just copy that. Relative CSS selector. Click submit cy.get. Or we could just use the data.cy. Save. And now we're just going to click it. And within this function, let's just I want to like reload the page, so we could do reload cy.reload. That's how you reload it. And so here now we have to basically call all the functions. So we're clicking on PS5. Now we're update dot set name, and then now let's call it Xbox. So we're setting the name, and now we're going to set the image. Let's get a new image. So right now we're just like copying the image. Okay, so here, so we're copying the image, set image. Now let's set the price 600, and let's set the category electronics. And now we're going to basically set the brand, update.brand Xbox. Just a couple more, so let's just do those real quickly. Update.set quantity, let's do 300. And the next one is supposed to be set the description. The newest Xbox. Okay. And let's just click on submit. Update.click submit. Okay, so let's run it. So so it's already running on the like behind the scenes. So let's try that again because it was kind of lagging. So we're clicking on update. As you can see, it clicked on the PS5's edit button. Now it's basically updating all of the other all of the information. Okay, there seems to be an error here. So let's see what the issue was. Okay, so category dot get. Okay, okay. So I accidentally left it as price. I forgot to change it. So okay. So this is meant to be category. So let's see if that fixed it. Let's try that again. Update. Okay, I think okay, it's still here. Okay, let's just try it one more time. So NPX Cypress open. So now we're choosing the browser. Yeah, so hopefully this should work now. And as you can see, it successfully updated the information. And so we had a PS5 before, and now we have an Xbox One. And the image didn't really fit properly. That's why it looks kind of weird. But that's pretty much it. That basically that's basically how you use Cypress. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So that's pretty much it from my side. Sir should be already there.